My video guide is about removing the new ransomware type infection that is called SorryItsJustBusiness. SorryItsJustBusiness. In this video guide, I will demonstrate to you how exactly this particular ransomware affects the system and the files that customers stores on their hard drives. Now, before the ransomware attack, of course, there are no problems opening the files. People can open any file types, including pictures, videos, Microsoft Office, and other data. It is quite sad to admit that the computers today are not always properly protected against ransomware. So this ransomware called SorryItsJustBusiness may be injected into the device, and soon customers realize that something bad has occurred with their files and that they cannot open the data anymore. By the way, you may trace this ransomware through the Task Manager application. If you discover some suspicious processes running in the background, it is quite likely that these processes are associated with this particular ransomware. And now the ransomware adds a special random extension to the files after encrypting them. It is quite unusual because certain ransomware type threats, well, in fact, the majority of ransomware type threats add a special unique extension, and typically the name of the extension matches the name of the ransomware. But this particular ransomware is called SorryItsJustBusiness, and the extension, however, is different. The ransomware places this scary message on the desktop background, mentioning first of all, sorry, it's just business. Then it tells the victims to pay the ransom for file restoration and to contact the developers using this email address, SorryItsJustBusiness@protonmail.com. On the other hand, you should not pay the ransom because this does not guarantee the file restoration. And if you pay the ransom by mistake, you may simply lose your money for nothing. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of the program called Combo Cleaner. To download it, you might need to go to Program Files directory, go to Internet Explorer as probably the only available browser, because some other browser shortcuts may be also modified by the ransomware. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application using this green download button. After the program gets downloaded and installed, start scanning your device with its help in order to detect and eliminate other threats. But you might need to wait until the anti-malware database is properly updated. So, after the anti-malware database is updated, the program begins scanning your system. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and you'll be able to know the exact locations of threats that were revealed during the scan. We recommend you to upgrade to premium license to remove these threats altogether and automatically. Furthermore, the premium license has got the excellent anti-ransomware feature that allows you to add certain folders on your computer, which will always be protected against ransomware attacks. Thanks for watching.